Good day, good day. This is Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, doing an acrylic pour for you today. So I'm all excited and I'm getting into it. I've had a really great day today, and I've had some good news that I'll be able to share with you, but not today, I'm told. So I have to wait. But anyway, it's really good news for our family, and yeah, so I'm happy, and I've been out today with my son and his wife and the little girl. We were able to go into one of our country towns and have coffee and visit a lovely art shop selling beautiful art. I will have to get the card to tell anybody that would like to take a look at their site. But yeah, we had a really lovely day. I'm feeling cool, relaxed, and all's good in life, and that's how it has to be. So this is a 60 by 30 centimetre canvas. It was a canvas that I'd previously poured on, and I wasn't too fussed with it. So I've just put a coat of that very black navy over it that I've used before, and I'm not sure if I should go flip cups or a flip and drag. So I might just put that aside for a second. My machine's making funny noises. Okay. I think I'm gonna do a flip and drag because my son did want something with a dark background and he wanted some negative space. So it might be, if it's not good enough when I've finished and he doesn't particularly like it, then all's good in the world, because it was a previously poured on canvas. But if it turns out quite well and he wants a bigger one made, then so be it, I'll go that way. So this is just my lovely Mont Studio acrylics, which I love, mixed with the Mont clear PVA. I have got all instructions for mixing my pouring medium and my paint recipe, and it's all in the description box below this video. So nothing hidden, it's all there. So that was the brilliant white and cerulean blue, and now this is the turquoise or quoise. I go back to, this is the phthalo blue. So I want to put a bit more white in there, so I want it to pop. This has all been mixed my normal way, and I've added 2 drops of Helmar silicone. Lots of people ask me about the Helmar. I've tried them all, believe me, I have tried them all. But I always come back to the Helmar. It's just a game changer for me. It doesn't leave any residue, or very little residue on your finished canvas. So when it comes to your canvas being fully finished and ready to coat, whether you just gloss coat it or resin it, you only have to give it a brief wipe down with, I just put a cloth in a soapy water and then wring it out really well, and then give my canvas a real good wipe over, and that's enough. It doesn't then come through on any gloss coating that I may do. So all's good in the world. Right, in this little cup you've seen the colours I put in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flip and drag, or should I? Yeah, no, we'll do a flip and drag. We'll do like a snaky snake. Oops, my goodness. It's probably enough paint in here to go all over the canvas, but we just see how we go. So I just want to leave that for a second or two to just let the paint work its way down nicely, hopefully not go muddy. And as you can see, those colours are so beautiful together, the blues and the greens. And what was that? That must have been the metallic copper. But yeah, they're nice colours, and especially they will pop on this black background. So I might actually go like a rainbow, you know, because life's good, and you've got to, even though we're going through these trials and tribulations with what's happening in the whole world, you know, there's still animals out there living life, birds in the sky, sun shining. You know, you've got to look at the good in the world as well as the bad, I suppose. But so here we go. I'm just gonna sort of, I wonder if I do this, mind you, I might, no, the cup is too weak for me to put a little pinhole in, so as it kind of lets the paint out slowly. So I'm just lifting it slightly and letting it kind of burp out. There we go. And I might run my cup through it like so. Oh, I want to move that canvas. I've got a nice round canvas to pour on there. Oh, love those colours, really love those colours, especially on that black navy. Oh, that's drying pretty quick. That's drying. So I've got some black navy made up here. I just keep all your spare containers that are plastic and just reuse them. Just wash them out in a bucket so you can, I just tip them into the ground. Just reuse them as much as you can. Just do your bit for the world. That's all you can do, is you just try your best. Okie dokie. I'm going to give this a little burl with my little heat wand. Now, this little heat wand only reaches 350 degrees centigrade, so it's not actually meant as a blower. It's meant as just a gentle way of heating the paint to help you disperse bubbles, air bubbles, but bring up cells. But if I get it close enough, I can blow out a bit, so I'm going to attempt that, and if it doesn't do the trick, I'll get my little blower. So I just want to have some nice kind of lacy bits coming off this. Kind of looks a bit chunky like me, but chunky but lovable. That's what my husband calls me. There you go. Ugh. Okay, I know that my son is going to love that. Actually, he's gonna love that. Looks effective on the very dark navy background. So let me pray to the pouring gods that it stays pretty much similar to what this is now. So I don't really want to do anything with that because I like that. I like the colours against the dark brown. Guys, can you please let me know what you think? Give me a thumbs up and a comment would be good, and please please subscribe to my channel, because I don't ask or seek for any money whatsoever, but you guys just subscribing to my channel and leaving me a thumbs up and a comment helps me. So I'm not in this for fame and fortune, but I certainly absolutely love to give anything that I can knowledge wise in the acrylic art to you guys for free. So just doing that simple thing can help not just me but all of YouTube artists. So I'm not just asking for myself, I'm just putting it out there for everybody. So just a little just a little thing I seek from you guys, so thank you so much. Ooh, okay, just trying to do a few little whipsy bits, but I will put some photos up and you just let me know what you think about it. What have I got planned for tomorrow? I'm going to do a pour on another, I think this one's a 40 centimetre, or it might be 50 centimetre round. So that's what I've got planned for tomorrow. I would also like to know if any of you guys would like to see my balloon art magic, you know, maybe do one video a week, and I'd like to know your opinion on it, guys, if you'd actually like me to put one of those videos up a week. And it's a teaching video because I'm learning to perfect that technique, obviously, a lot better than what I first started, so you guys can learn with me. All right, I'm gonna shut up the babble. I'm gonna go in and have dinner with my husband and call my loved ones and wish them all good night and tell them that I love them, and I suggest that you guys too, because you guys do that to anybody that you feel close or loved by or to, because yeah, life is short and we've all got to be the best version of ourselves. That's what I believe. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your outpouring of beautiful messages that I've had lately of support, and thank you so much for helping me build this channel and trying to be a better artist. I'll continue to try, but I will show you my successes along with my failures, because that's important. So bye for now, guys. Until next time, take care.